As for the resources, we have 3 participants, 1 company. I think we have about a research group of 10, which are full-time researchers, and the 4 of those are in National Defense University, plus me, of course, over there. And then the other project, the wireless sensor systems in indoor situation modeling. So this is the one dealing with the warfare in constructed area. So we have a bit of a bigger group over there, 18 researchers and 6 companies over there. And we also tested this in an actual range made for this purpose. And all of this research is funded by the Finnish Funding Agency for Technology and Innovations. Well, I already went through quite a lot of this in my last slide, but in any case, as you realize, the environments are quite different. But the fundamental thing is the same. We want to be able to support the creation of situational awareness in the operator's mind so that he or she can make the right decisions at the right time. That's the same thing in both of the aspects, even though the abstraction level and the way of the decision making is a bit different. Probably the biggest difference in these environments is the stress. In a warfighting environment, the presence of stress is tremendous if you compare it to this like a monitoring route type of situation. Well, I already talked about situational awareness a bit, but I would like to show you one clue on how we think about the information flows over here. We like to see that everything starts from the source system. That can be a factory installation with monitoring room, or it can be a sensor system providing, for example, locational data. We have an agent-based solution, so we can implement our own system, which will then feed the information to our framework, and where the data is coming in forms of events to our system, which we're then dealing with. And from this information, we're building the common operating picture, views, multiple different views to the user, and by that means we would like to see the improvement in situational awareness. And this is where the task actually get in. So we want to, in that spot, we want to define what is the actual thing that the decision maker or the operator is actually doing, and what kind of information he needs to have in order to accomplish in his mission. So, and this is what we're trying to find from the set of services which I'm going to be showing you in a couple of minutes.